Today in the livestock market, cattle was higher. It's still in that consolidation channel, but still towards the upside. It seems that generally that the market is holding within that $3 range, and we expect that it could remain there really to the end of the year. The market is very, very strong right now. I think that the demand is decent, and that's keeping the market really afloat. Feeders also were higher. We're watching both of those together. So feeders were higher, and I think the cash cattle remains very firm. The concerns that the supplies will tighten up after the holidays has a lot of the packers stepping up and kind of more steadily, not necessarily aggressively, but steadily, buying, and possibly that could happen through the end of the year. That looks like that would keep the market relatively strong all the way out. That's why you see a lot of the deferred months still also strong as well. On the other hand, now hogs were a little bit mixed today. The traders are just watching for that phase one trade deal. It's going to make a big difference on the pork side without a doubt, but only until something is actually signed will it start to affect the market, but affected it will. I think that there has been some confirmation that China is buying some extra pork. That also will help, and maybe some last minute holiday buying and some demand that way should definitely offer an opportunity to maybe buoy the market a little bit. But we are still in a pretty wide consolidation range, but really at the bottom level that we haven't seen in quite a while. The fact that they signed the USMCA is really a positive, and it did not instantly offer any more exports or any kind of demand, but it is positive that going forward that should help, especially while we're still waiting for that U.S.-China trade deal to come to fruition. If anything starts to happen, I know that long term, I think that's going to be great for the hog market. So livestock really has a lot going on right now. So we're going to watch closely. I'd say that there's going to be still a lot more volatility to the end of the year.